Hey man, with J-Man here, checking out this bay window on this big building, getting ready to just fall on ya. Yeah, not really. Doing some restorations here in the city of Orange at the Plaza. Checking out the insides. Doing a remodel on this building that has to be at least 100 years old here in Orange at the Plaza. Putting in new support beams. There's the old poured concrete pillar. I don't see any workers around, but there's the old mess from inside the building. Putting in some new windows deep inside this old building. Dumpster diving for building supplies. Construction here in Old Town Orange. Doing remodeling, bringing buildings back to their glory.